don't open your risky position, because you should wait for this level at least for long position. Let me just show you what has happened last night in the market. You can see most of the coins drop or crash like 10, 15, 20, 30%. And crazy, was crazy, really crazy. Many coin has died last night. Because what? Because of Bitcoin dominance. Let's go and show you my position for yesterday. As you can look, when I tell you, sometimes I tell you I've got risk reward ratio 10, risk reward ratio 5, 13. It's possible. Yeah, it is possible. As you can look, yesterday, it is for yesterday. Yesterday I show you on yesterday video, I record, and it is live trade. This is live trade, right? I record this video. I show you that one of my position on Ethereum has been closed yesterday. And I show you on that moment, I opened this position for AVAX, and you can see risk reward ratio 13, right? 13 times every day. As you can look, I open my position. This position is still open and didn't show. You can see it says $237 USDT profit that released PNL. It means I earned it, right? And it didn't show here. It didn't bring it here still, and it doesn't show you. Okay. Let me go down, and I want to show you from the day first. I start to show you this account. Every time I risk 1%, but for this position I risk just 0.5% because the market wasn't stable and I didn't know. Sometimes it's confusing, but I opened this position, and you can see 8 times my amount for this trading is $10,000. First time I risk 1% and I earn 8 times. It means risk reward ratio 8. I closed on a 9, 10 because I didn't close any part of my position, and I closed all of my position on 30% of that on risk reward ratio 2, and the rest I closed on risk reward ratio 11, 12 was that. 8%, 1% I lost, 1% I earned, 3% I lost here, and again 2% I earned here, and last time I lost 1%. It was for yesterday on Ethereum. And now in this portfolio, I earned 11 times and I lost 5 times. It means 7%, 6% I'm in profit, right? And now, as you can see, even I risk 0.5%. It means 0.5% I risk. I earned more than 2%. I earned more than 2% with risk reward ratio 13. It means now I'm profit. I have a profit about 14%, and I lost 5 times. I'm in profit 9% in this month. I started this month to show you from the day of 20th of May. 20th of May, I started to show you this account, and now I'm in profit about 9%, and I show you at the day I want to close this month and going for new months, right? Let's go to Bitcoin, and I wanted to show you how you can trade. This is how you can trade. It doesn't matter. If you have $100, you can trade with $100, and your earning is depend on how much you have. But if you know how to trade, it doesn't matter how much you have. Your trading is depend on how much you risk, not how much you earn, how much dollar you earn. Okay, $237 for today from yesterday. It is that amount is my risk reward ratio with percentage of risk. I risk 1%, I earn more than 2, right? This is how I trade. You should have a money management. Then if you have a $1 million, $100 million, you can risk with your $100 million, your $10 million, with whatever you have, then you can risk. Let's go. We lost in a daily time frame. As you can look, we lost this support and we came to this level of support, and now we are here and we are in a downtrend on a daily time frame. If you go to the weekly time frame, we are in this range. We had a higher high, we have higher low, we have lower high, but we should see this low is coming lower than this low or not. In the weekly time frame, still we are in an uptrend, but in a daily time frame, we are in a downtrend. Now we made a lower low, lower high, and now we broke the lower low and we are in a downtrend. And now what is the new place for you to open your position? You can stay for, because this trend line is for 4 hours time frame. As you can look, we broke it in a daily and we go to the 4 hour time frame. I'm going to show you what you should do. Now, what you can do in this area, you can stay here for 1 day. I think at the end of today, maybe we start again to go down, but you should check for more confirmation with this level of support. Then you can trade with it. All right, now if you go to lower time frame, as a 4-hour time frame, as you can check, we made this support as a stronger, and we can bring it up a bit, maybe our support until maybe here. But if I go to lower time frame, I think our support will stay here, because we want to trade in a 1-hour time frame. We want to trade in a 15-minute time frame, because this is my trade time frame. Right now, for long position, I don't talk about anything because we are in a downtrend. But risky entry, you can here it will be your risky entry trigger. You can, after here, if you saw anything like this, first break this resistance and make another higher high. This high, it will be higher than this one, and make it higher low. And then here, when it wants to break this new higher high, then you can go and open your position with this area. All right, but don't open your risky position, because you should wait for this level at least for long position. $71,000, it would be your trigger for long position. For short, still 61,175 for now. If you could see any confirmation here with your time frame, then you can go and open your position. Let's go to Ethereum. Hi there, I'm Shahrukh, a trader based in the UK. If you are new here, welcome. On this channel, I upload daily live trades like today I show you, to help you maximize your profit and show you my trading strategies. If you want to dive deeper into DeFi and the crypto world, check out my main channel where I cover almost everything, Mr. Personal Trader. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's get back to the video. For now, as you can look, the Bitcoin dominance is crazy. I thought it would change the direction and it would go to the it would go for a downtrend, but it didn't change, and I'm not happy with this, to be honest. If we can see any rejection, a very good rejection, this candle change to the red candle and can come here to close here, then we expect the price of all other altcoin. If the Bitcoins wants to go up a bit, then we can expect the other altcoin to go a bit higher price, to see higher prices. But now all the market is downtrend. Because of that, as you can see, FTM from yesterday, just for yesterday, you can see 16% has dropped, has crashed. Okay, this is FTM. This is AVAX for yesterday that I opened my position on it, and you can see it's about 15%. All of the coin, most of the coin has dropped a lot. All right, now let's go to Ethereum. As you can check, the Ethereum situation for daily is better. You can still open your position with this level if you could, if you saw any confirmation. If it's working like this, it's much better for daily trader with this stop loss and go down if it's gonna happen for lowering to see a lower prices. Okay, but for now, if the price at the end of the day is close here, you can, with this position, you can, with this stop loss, you can open your position for daily time frame, and this is your trigger for long position. It would be risky because we are in a downtrend, but still okay. You can open position with this one because Ethereum ETF has been accepted, and I think soon happen for everyone, for all the people to go and buy and invest a lot of money. This is your trigger for Ethereum, and this is for short on Ethereum, and this is for long for Ethereum. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and see you tomorrow.